Previously on Sailing Wind Therapy, we left Antigua and made our way to Guadeloupe. We spent a day at Parc de la Source hiking and swimming in the waterfall, and spent more than 2 hours freeing a tree from our anchor chain. Good morning. We are leaving Guadeloupe. We didn't really film very much because we didn't spend a whole lot of time here. We spent a week in Guadeloupe, but we had food poisoning and the weather was crappy, so we didn't really see much of it. Then we came over to Les Saints, and we've been here for just a few days. But we're going to come back and spend a month here next year, so we didn't film a lot. But today, we are going to Bequia. So it's 9:30 in the morning. And we're looking forward to a 25 to 26 hour sail all the way down. We're going to pass Dominica, Martinique, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and end up in Bequia tomorrow morning. You excited about going to Bequia?
I am.
Why?
Just good to go play someplace we haven't been yet.
We haven't really been here.
Yeah, sure. So we're just we got to get to Grenada by May, beginning in May. So we got to kind of skip some islands and we'll hit it on the way back.
We're sailing in the lee of Dominica right now. Actually, we're not really sailing. The engines are on because the wind has died. But it's a huge island. Well, huge. 25 miles long, I think. It's really, really pretty from here. I cannot wait to explore this island when we come back next year. But we're just kind of running short of time. We have to get to Grenada at the beginning of May. And right now, it's the middle of April. So we got a lot of things to see between here and there. Well, so far we are having a really nice sail from Les Saints, which is at the bottom of Guadeloupe, down to Bequia, which is just south of St. Vincent. We've passed Dominica, and we're just about 10 miles off of being right in line with the northern tip of Martinique. So we've got about 110, 115 miles to go. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. So I guess we're looking at getting in at about 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, which is faster than we expected. We're doing really well though. We've got an average 18 knots of wind. Our average speed over ground is consistently 8.5. We're hitting 9s, which is really nice. And the waves aren't bad. We've got, I would say they're 2 to 3 feet. They're coming pretty often. But yeah, this is a very nice way to go.
We just finished our overnight sail from Guadeloupe to Bequia. Bequia is technically called St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So now we're going to go check in. So every time we get to a new country, we got to go check in. This time we took a nap first. We didn't immediately check in, we took a nap, but don't tell the check-in police because they like you to check in right when you get here. Don't they? Sometimes countries require you to, just the captain goes and checks in and everyone else has to stay on the boat. In the Grenadines, they require everybody to get off the boat and check in.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so it's weird how every country is different.
I don't usually go.
She doesn't normally go. And this is the famous Bequia. Princess Margaret Beach, I think it's called. Over there?
We got some green slime on the hull.
Got most of it on.
Let's go see if we can see her right here. There. Oh, here. The chain is here. Right there. We bought a lock from Master Lock before, and we were locking up all over the Caribbean. And we were in Guadeloupe, and we were kind of in a place a little bit over the line where we should have been. And we locked it up, and we came back, and somebody had pried our lock open and moved the boat. So now we have this one, much bigger, sturdier. Hope for the best. What a cute place. How welcoming and inviting.
Like the honk.
We're checking in here in Bequia, and it's cash only. We need 71 EC, so I'm on my way to the ATM. The further south we get, the hotter it gets. It's really hot. But we're here in Bequia, and these are our first drinks. Cheers, honey, to getting to Bequia. Oh, it's so good.
Is it?
Yeah. It's rum, lime juice, and passion fruit juice.
I thought you were allergic to passion fruit. Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Your faces aren't as well.
It's because I'm so hot.
Nothing to do with it. And our boat is
Over there.
right over there.
It's going to be a beautiful sunset.
So far, it feels really nice here.
Yeah, it's got a good vibe here.
Yeah, it's kind of got a bad rep because there was some thefts that happened in November.
Yeah.
But as soon as we as soon as we docked, as soon as we anchored, someone who came over to us who knew us from the Bahamas and told us he's been here for like a month or 2 months and he loves it here, and they see the door open and they feel totally safe. So that made us feel better.
They said that the Coast Guard found the kids who were committing the thefts in November, and it turned out it was some kids from St. Vincent, and they sent them away. So they don't deal with that here. No crime against tourists. How's your ice cream?
Pretty good.
Yeah, how was your dinner?
Pretty good.
Big fat hamburger.
From
Max Pizza.
Max Pizza and Grill.
I have to go back to Max Pizza and get a pizza.
This was the best hamburger on the island, so now we can leave.
It was pretty good.
Now we can leave the island. Already had it.
We'll go in a few days. We'll stay for a little bit. Have to wash the boat first.
So it's going to get dirty again.
Still gotta wash it. This is the Gingerbread Hotel. It's cute.
I think, doesn't the Muffin Man live in the Gingerbread Hotel?
I think the Gingerbread Man lives in the Gingerbread Hotel.
Oh, not the Muffin Man?
Probably not.
I always get the Muffin Man and the Gingerbread Man mixed up.
Oh. Those prices are EC. They're not US dollars. What's the conversion rate?
See the name of the place?
Whale boner.
Sometimes I get whale boners. This is the island of Bequia in St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
We're on our way to Bequia Canvas. We're having some hatch covers made. This is going to help keep the boat cool while it's on the hard in Grenada for the summer. So Bequia Canvas made this one as a prototype and it fits. It's really good. So we're going back to tell her so she can finish this and make the rest of them.
I guess we're gonna get a smoothie since we're here.
Island Quench.
And here's our favorite smoothie place in Bequia called Island Quench.
This is Nikita.
Hi, Nikita.
She owns Island Quench. She makes really amazing smoothies.
Are we getting one?
I'm getting one. Are you getting one?
Hell yeah.
Okay. We just had a private tour of the Bequia Museum, and it was a wonderful tour. The woman who gave the tour is the wife of the man who started the coconut boats here and building all of the model boats.
Mr. Sargent, I think his name is.
I forgot his first name. But yeah, so he started that tradition on the island, and he actually built a replica of the Queen Elizabeth's SS Britannia and presented it to her in the 60s when she visited here, and the woman who gave us the tour served tea to the Queen because she was a waitress at the time. So that's a neat museum. They didn't want us to take pictures inside, which is fine. You just need to come here and visit. It was great.
It's like a
roller coaster.
I bet you when it snows here, that's a great ski slope.
Yeah, I bet it is.
It probably doesn't snow.
Or like sledding.
Yeah, for sledding.
They could sled right in the ocean.
Definitely a good ski trail.
This is Jeff about to drink his very first Guinness Smooth.
They make it in St. Vincent.
All right.
Smooth. It tastes like Guinness with green peppers in it.
Oh, that's bizarre. We spent a few days in Tobago Keys, which resemble the islands of the Bahamas. Unfortunately, our GoPro freaked out and fouled our SD card, so we lost all the footage, except for this video of the beach barbecue we went to.
That's Michael.
These are our lobsters for dinner.
Is that Coco?
That's Coco.
That's Coco somewhere in there.
Okay, all right, he wants me to take a picture.
It's hard to see. Okay, there you go.
And we're off again, this time to Union Island. We spent 2 days in Chatham Bay on Union Island and hired Saki to drive us to customs and immigration to check out. This is the road he has to take every day to go to work.
You okay, man? How's your back?
Oh, baby, you don't have to go. I'm gonna pack my bags, down the road I go. Well, you called me last night, the night before. So many times, baby, I thought you wouldn't be here. Oh, baby, you don't have to go. I'm gonna pack my bags, baby, down the road I go.
Jeff needed to get off the boat. He was driving himself crazy playing solitaire and reading the news. So he took the paddleboard out. Here he comes. How was it?
The wind kind of kicked up a little bit.
Well, it's good exercise.
Oh, baby, you don't treat me right.
Turtle.
Yeah? I threw the tuna over and nobody came.
Oh.
We are leaving Kiriakou today. We've got about a 4 to 4.5 hour sail over to Grenada. We're pulling in a little early, a couple of reasons. One, our daughter decided to have another baby. Thank you, Shayna. And our son's band is playing in an awesome concert at Daytona Speedway called Welcome to Rockville. So we gotta go see that. And both my parents are kind of ill at the moment. So we're hauling out in 2 weeks. And we wanted to have a good 10 to 10 days to get the boat ready to haul out. But I have to go home for a week. So Jeff's gonna be a bachelor in Grenada. Are you nervous about that?
No, we'll be at a marina, so there'll be a lot of places to drink beer and eat hamburgers.
And I'm gonna go back to the United States for a week. When I come back, then we'll bust our humps and get the boat ready to haul out. That's what we're doing today. Sailing to Grenada.
Try taking the day. Warm water all around my toes. Find my own way. I learned to live. I learned
Join
to
us next
breathe.
time as we prep the boat for a summer on the hard. Take a break from the sweltering heat by jumping into a waterfall. And wind therapy gets hauled out at Clark's Court.
Calypso in the captain's wind therapy.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and happy sailing.